Let's take a look at these examples. I have 25 megawatts. Okay, this is my prefix. I have to convert that prefix to power of 10. So I'm going to have 25 times 10 to the 6th watts, because mega represents 10 to the 6th power of 10. And this is the solution to my problem. Now I have to rewrite this problem as a number with power of 10. So I'm going to have 950 times 10 to 9 hertz, because G represents 10 to the 9th power. And this is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at the third example. In this case, we do not have the prefix. We have just unit of measure. So anytime we have unit of measure, the answer is basically the same thing. So we have no prefix. This is basically the answer. It's exactly the same as the original problem.